There is self-care and there's self-distraction. Don't confuse self-distraction with self-care. Don't confuse self-distraction with self-care. How much minutes do you spend time with yourself a day? How many minutes out throughout the day do you spend with yourself? The same thing you do when you spend time with somebody else is the same thing you do for yourself. No judgment, no phone, no distractions, undivided attention to yourself through your breath. You're doing something that's going to propel you, that's in your best interest. So I'm going to give you a great example. So I had met a girl. It didn't work out, by the way. I really liked her too. So I met this girl, right? I was like, oh, this girl, there's something about this girl. I gotta take her out. So I met her, and then a month went by, I never really texted her. So I texted her eventually, and I started talking to her. Then eventually, I was just like, you wanna get coffee? Wink, wink. So I wanted to go out with this girl to take her out on a lunch date. So what's the first thing they tell you when you go out on a lunch date with somebody? You wanna treat them like they're special, because they are. You wanna give them your undivided attention. You don't wanna be on your phone. You want to ask questions so you can know what's going on with them. You want to also provide a form of entertainment. So maybe try not to be boring because you won't get a second date. What else can you do? Maybe you want to be open-minded. You want to be compassionate, non-judgmental. Those are all things you do when you spend time with somebody else. The same thing you do when you spend time with somebody else is the same thing you do for yourself. No judgment. No phone, no distractions, undivided attention to yourself through your breath. You're doing something that's going to propel you, that's in your best interest. If you took someone out that have cancer and you gave them Popeye's chicken, are you taking them out or are you messing up their lives? Are you a good friend? You're not a good friend because you know they shouldn't be eating that. You need to take them to a quality place. It's the same way you want to take your friend to a quality place, you have to take yourself to a quality place. Right. So it's the same mentality. You're not going to sit, some people say I'm going to do self-care, but I'm going to sit and watch Netflix for 6 hours and watch people kill each other. Or watch the most negative show in the planet and think, oh, I'm going to feel good. There is self-care and there's self-distraction. Don't confuse self-distraction with self-care. You know what I mean? Don't confuse self-distraction with self-care.